Hi, I'm Kunal Chaudhary, a digital marketer and an internet entrepreneur. I founded India's first digital marketing training company by the name of DSIM. I also own one of the fastest growing e-commerce brand in India. Now, these two companies make me approximately $7 million every single year. But the reason why I'm talking to you right now is because I took a challenge. On New Year's Eve, on 1st of January 2018, I took a challenge that I will be making 2 crore rupees working as a part-time affiliate marketer and investing just 30 minutes a day. That's right, there's 30 minutes a day and 2 crore rupees in the next 12 months. Now, I am not new to affiliate marketing. In fact, me and my good friend out here have been doing affiliate marketing since 2008. And together, we have made over $2 million working as a part-time affiliate marketer. But last year, I didn't do much of it. And it is something that I really love. So again, I'm openly telling everyone that this is my journey in 2018, and at the end of month, every single month, I will be revealing how much I have made that particular month. It can be 16 lakh, which is kind of an average, which I need to achieve every month. It can be 20 lakh, it can be nil, it can be 5 lakhs. I will be open to you. And if you are wondering how much I have made so far, since January 2018, all you have to do is watch the videos that are given below this one, and you will be able to figure out how much I have made. So join me on the journey to make 2 crore rupees. But you know what? This is not about me. This video which I'm recording is not about me. It is about you. I know that you are doing good, but what I also know is that you would like to do even better. You would like to earn more money, and this is the reason why I am sharing this challenge with each and every one of you. So what I'll be doing is, guys, I am open to share my passion. I'm open to share my journey. I'm open to share my strategies, the techniques, each and everything which I use to make money online as an affiliate marketer and also as a blogger. So in the Masters Digital Marketing Training Program by DSIM, which is a combination of 4 different courses, the 3rd course is how to make money online. And this training, how to make money online, I will be taking all the classes. I will be sharing how I make money, how I do media buying, what strategies do I use, where I buy cheap traffic, how I convert, how I make money as an affiliate marketer. And there is also something new. I'm starting with blogging again. I used to be a blogger. I used to make a lot of money with blogging. Then I didn't do it for several years because of so many other things which I am occupied with. But in this year, I'm again starting with blogging. So in this training program, I will be teaching you how I do it, each and everything. Well, trust me, I'm not going to act as a guru, who claims to have A to Z of knowledge, and gives you bookish knowledge. That's not what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is give you practical learning. So my friends, if you believe in yourself, if you think that yes, you can change your life, then all you have to do is come to DSIM and I will help you. I will make it possible the way I made it possible for me. Let's do it together. Hey, wait, before you leave, just a reminder, make sure you watch the videos that are right below this one, okay? And in the meantime, all I'll do is hit some balls.